You don't probably know how easy it is to deploy Angular applications to show off to your colleagues or to your friends. Hey everyone, my name is Mohammed Ahsan. I'm a Google developers expert in Angular. I'm also an author of 2 worldwide published Angular books. And my job here is to make you a smarter and better Angular developer. With that said, let's have a look at how you can easily deploy an Angular application to show off to others for free. So in this particular case, we are looking at this particular repository, which I was working on for another YouTube video. And I have my code pushed to GitHub and this is ready to deploy. So what you need to do to deploy an Angular application is that you basically check out, open it into a terminal or your VS Code editor, and then you just run ng deploy. When you run this, it will ask you options of where do you want to deploy it. And then you can go ahead and say GitHub Pages because it's free, it's available to everyone, and it's super easy. So when you click GitHub Pages and when you hit enter, it will add some packages for you to be able to deploy this. So let's wait while this finishes. And you can see here, it's asking me to install this package. So I'm just gonna hit enter. And there we go. You can see that it installed a couple of packages and also updated the Angular JSON. If I go to the Angular JSON, we can actually see what happened when it comes to deploy. So if you try searching deploy, you will see that it added this builder named Angular CLI GH Pages deploy, which means that at any point I can run ng deploy and this will deploy my application to GitHub Pages. So let's try this out right here. So if I say ng deploy, let's see what happens. You can see that right now this is building my application. And you can see that once this is built, this starts uploading that to GitHub. And finally, this is deployed to GitHub Pages via this particular package, which means that if I go back to my GitHub, I can refresh and I will see that in my branches, there's a new branch named GH Pages. If I click this, I can actually see that just now my application was deployed. And you can see that this is not my source code. This is actually the final built application having the index.html, the JavaScript files, CSS files, and whatnot. If I go back to my main, this is my source code. And again, GH Pages is the deployment. You will also notice that before we had an orange circle, which changed to this check mark. If you click it, you can see what actions were performed on GitHub to deploy this. And you can also go here in actions to see the same. When we pushed or when we ran ng deploy, this action was actually triggered and you can see that it builds our application. And you can see the deployment link right here. If I click this, you're gonna see that the application is deployed. However, it does not really work as intended. And if I click this, we will see that it actually shows the title of the application up top here, but nothing works. If I open this, you're going to see that some of the things are not really found. For example, the JavaScript file, style CSS, and all of that is because when we deploy the base href here in our application, if you look into head, you're going to find that the base href is / which means that it's trying to find my application's JavaScript on this particular URL, while GitHub actually deploys that here. So I need to put this guy as the href like this in the process when I'm running ng deploy. And if you go to Angular CLI GH Pages documentation, you can see that this is base href, which you need to provide. So when running ng deploy, we should not just run ng deploy, but we can also run the base href just like this. And a nicer version to do this, instead of providing this base href every single time, there's a better way. What you can do is you can essentially go to angular.json and just where we had our builder, we can add options just like this. So I'm just going to copy this. And then in the angular.json where we're defining this, I can go here and add the options just like this. And I'm going to replace the base href with my particular URL. So I'm going to go to my URL, which is the deployed URL, copy this, come back to angular.json, and I'm going to replace this. Ensure that you have this last / right there because otherwise it may not work. And then you can also keep the name or email. I'm just going to remove them. I don't really need those. Now that we have this, let's try this again. Now if I go and say ng deploy, it will automatically pick the base href and will deploy accordingly. And now if I go to my GitHub, I can actually see that there is another build in process at the moment. And this is also going to deploy this as well. So if I go back to summary, we'll wait for the link to come up again. And there we go. Now, if I click this, you will see that we do see the application right here. And if I do a hard reload, I can see actually the application that I built working here. So this is like some random users, and these are the to-dos of those users deployed here. And this is live. I can show this off to my colleagues, my friends, or whatnot. So this is not something that takes hours and hours. It's just something that you can do just in a few minutes. Finally, what I would recommend you to do is you go to your code and then you go to your settings from here, and then you say use your GitHub Pages website. When you do this, the link to your demo is actually available right here. So you don't need to go to actions and then copy the link from there. You just click this. And this is the common pattern of GitHub Pages. If you don't really know, by default, your username .github.io .io/ whatever your repository name is, that becomes the deployment URL. So you can easily just build your applications, deploy them with GitHub Pages, and show off to your friends around. Before we wrap up, I would like to highlight that certificates.dev is actually conducting a free weekend for unlimited access to Angular mid-level certification training. And this is really good. If you really want to push your Angular skills to the next level, I would highly encourage looking into this. And in the description of this video, you can find the link, which also helps the channel grow. So this is an affiliate link, of course. With that said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, happy coding. I'm going to see you next time.